Welcome to this midday reset meditation. If you've been feeling pulled in many directions today, this is your moment to pause, to breathe, to come back to yourself. You don't need to do anything else right now, just be here. Find a position to sit that feels most comfortable to you, with your hands resting gently on your lap, palms down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And take a moment to simply observe yourself. Notice what's happening within you. Imagine that there is water flowing inside of you, that you have internal tides and currents. How is your inner water? Is the water within you calm? Is it turbulent? Is it flowing in one direction? Or maybe it's swirling and flowing in different directions. However it is, there's no need to judge it. Simply observe it and let it be exactly as it is. Now let's bring our attention to our breath. I want you to imagine that you're inhaling very fine threads of air, inhaling very gently, very lightly. And when the air is inside of you, even if it feels challenging, hold this breath for a few seconds and then release it very gently, as slowly as possible. There's no rush. Inhale once again very slowly. Allow this breath to fill your lungs, to fill your body, and then hold it. Let it expand within you. And then very softly and gently exhale, choosing how the breath leaves your body. Inhale again slowly as possible. Hold the breath, let it expand, and exhale, controlling the breath as it peacefully leaves your body. And allow your breath to find its natural rhythm, letting it anchor you in this present moment. Enjoy this moment of stillness, this moment of peace. And from this place of stillness, repeat the following either out loud or silently in your mind. I am peace. I am in harmony. All is well in this moment. Now take a moment to observe yourself again. How is your inner water? Notice if anything has shifted. Notice how you feel. And let's inhale once again, very slowly and gently. Allow this breath to renew you fully. And exhale softly, letting go of anything you don't need to carry into the rest of your day. And slowly begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Taking just a few minutes to reset can make a world of difference in how we show up in the rest of our day. Thank you so much for being here with me. And more importantly, thank yourself for choosing to slow down and reconnect with you.